In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country settings in Stripe in just 5 minutes. This is an essential process if you're relocating or expanding your business to a new region, and I'm here to guide you through each step clearly and thoroughly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Stripe's official website at stripe.com. Once the homepage has loaded, you'll find the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on this to proceed. You'll then be directed to the login page where you're required to enter your email and password. Ensure that your login credentials are entered correctly, as this will take you directly to your Stripe dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. Just follow the prompts provided. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your home dashboard. Locate the settings menu, which you'll find in the lower left sidebar of the dashboard interface. Clicking on settings will open up a variety of options that you can customize according to your business needs. Within the settings menu, look for account settings and click on the business section. This area contains all the crucial details pertaining to your business account. Scroll down through this section until you find the section labeled country. This is where you'll be able to change your country setting to align with your new business location. Selecting the desired country is straightforward. Simply click on the current country indicator and choose the new country from the drop-down list that appears. Make sure you're selecting the correct option, as this will impact various aspects such as payment processing and tax calculations. While you're updating your country, this is a good opportunity to also look at your time zone settings. Adjusting your time zone ensures that all your transaction timestamps reflect the correct local time for your operations. Locate the time zone section next to your country selector and choose your preferred time zone from the list. Once you have made all the necessary changes to the country and time zone, finalize these settings by clicking on the Save button at the bottom of the page. Saving these changes is crucial to ensure that all updates are applied to your account configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your country and time zone settings in Stripe. Remember, keeping your account details up to date is key to seamless business operations. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe's support team, who are always available to help you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer for you. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.